Hello friends, welcome back. Let's start by clearing a big misconception. When most people hear AI, they imagine machines thinking like humans. But in reality, almost every AI system we use today is narrow AI. Narrow AI is built to do one job and to do it very well. Narrow AI is built to do one job and they do it very well. It does not think, feel, or understand like humans. It simply executes. Yes, it simply executes. Alright, think of narrow AI like a specialist, not a generalist. It is trained with data for one specific, clear purpose. If the problem stays within that boundary, it performs excellently well. Yes, it performs fantastically. But the moment we step outside that scope, the system really breaks down. There is no awareness, no curiosity, no common sense. Yes, outside its task, it really fails. Alright, we will have some simple examples here. We interact with narrow AI every single day. Your phone unlocking your face, that's narrow AI for you. Google Maps suggesting a faster route, that's narrow AI. Even the recommendation systems on YouTube and Netflix are narrow AI. These systems feel intelligent, but they are highly focused and they are called task machines. That's all, focused task machines. Alright, what narrow AI cannot do. This slide is very important to set expectations correctly. Narrow AI cannot adapt on its own. It cannot suddenly learn a new task like you and I do. It cannot understand emotions or abstract reasoning. All intelligence comes from data, the rules, the training, and nothing more. Remember, it cannot do many things that you and I do. Alright, there is a lot of confusion that comes from mixing narrow AI and general AI. General AI refers to the machines with human level intelligence. That does not exist today. Even the AI system deployed in industry, be it healthcare, banking, manufacturing, they are all narrow AI. This distinction is very critical for responsible AI adoption. Alright, so why does narrow AI matter so much? Because this is the AI that creates business value. It speeds up decisions, reduces errors, and improves efficiency. It supports humans rather than replacing them. Most successful AI projects focus on small, well defined problems. Let's have the key takeaways here. Let's end it with this simple thought. Narrow AI is not about replacing intelligence. Yes, it's about amplifying it. It works silently behind the scene. This is the AI that already runs our phones, apps, and enterprises. If you understand narrow AI, you will understand the real AI. Until I meet you in the next session, thank you very much.